Today we're going to bring another LED desk lamp. Now, just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this one out. This one's dimmable with the touch. It's easy for the eyes. We're going to test it out, and we're going to open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, well made, well covered and everything in the power cord. And of course, they give you the actual manual and they give you a cleaning cloth. All right, so that's a plus. Let's go ahead and set it up. Now, here's a complete set. They give you a cleaning cloth, the actual manual, and of course, they give you the power connection where you actually plug it on the side of it, all right? And now, not only that, they give you an actual extra USB. So if you're gonna take some sort of power from your laptop or your actual connection to power your phone, there's an actual additional USB in here. We're gonna plug it in, and we're gonna plug it in directly there. You guys can see that, and it's gonna start charging your phone. So we got that plus. Now, this is the flexibility about that I like about the LED light. There's plenty of LED light in here. It's all aluminum. It's gonna give you lots of lumens, all right, on here. And we're gonna put it to a test here too in this room, see how well it works. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect our phone now that we don't need it, and we're gonna put it on the side. Let's go ahead and do the controls first, if you guys can notice. Now to turn it on, it's very simple. There is a button here to power it on. You click on it, and then you have all these lights that indicate the actual the dimming source. So you could start from the bottom to the top, and that's the highest, the brightest. And then to change it here, there's an actual button to change the actual light. They're all touch, right? It's all touch space, all right? You guys notice. So I'm gonna change it to my favorite one. That's probably it. And then we're gonna dim it down to the minimum. So let's go ahead and put it to the test in this room. Let's turn off all the lights. All right, take a look at the actual desk lamp in here. We're gonna go a little bit further back. And right now, we're not even in the highest. If we're gonna put it all the way to the highest, hold it down, and it turns off. This is the room without it, and we're gonna go ahead and turn on the power. And that's the lowest dim, if you guys can see it, the lowest. And then we're gonna go highest, all right, from the actual, and this is the lamp, if you guys can see the lamp. Huge lamp. Really good source, especially if you're going to work on a computer or an object in here, or you're going to be writing. You can even take this anywhere pretty much. I mean, it's movable, it's easy to flexible. You can close it up, it's still on, if you guys notice. Durable, aluminum base. And let's go ahead and change the actual color of the actual system. So we're going to go ahead and change it. That's 1, 2, 3, and then we go back to normal. 1, 4. And then this is the normal one that I like. Of course, we're going to dim it all the way down, lower it down. You guys can see it. I'm going to bring this a little bit base. Highest dim. Step back a little bit. And that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.